Hello guys, let me take you through this Montessori inspired busy book I made for my 19-month-old daughter. First we spell out her name together and we put her age down, and then we work on her affirmation for the day and remind her that she's a girl, and we go through her affirmations. Then we look at the colors. I'm working on these 6 colors with her right now, and these are the 6 colors I'm trying to emphasize for her. So you'd notice throughout the course of this book, these are the same colors that I'm using over and over. And then I teach her to count objects. I use the things that I know she loves, and it makes it all fun and interactive. Then we go over to her shapes, and she loves to play with these pieces. I let her, go with it and really just work on that hand-eye coordination. And then we sing our Days of the Week song at this point, and also play the Days of the Week puzzle. I let her play with the pieces. I do this with her because she doesn't know how to do this on her own just yet. And then I do this thing where we look at what day is today, what tomorrow will be, and what yesterday was. The continuous repetition of these exercises. I know she doesn't understand it yet, but with time she'll know exactly what we're doing. And then we look at the months of the year. We sing our months of the year song. I've cut out extra pieces as well for us to just play with, and also for when I try to teach her how to write, how to know the date. And then we look at her emotions. She loves to play with these pieces and also just mimic the facial impressions, and it's lovely when she does it. Then we put down the date, right? So we take what day of the month it is, what month, and then I get her to choose how she feels on that day, and then she'll put it on. So she likes to just play with different feelings and different emotions, and it's all fun, but then she's learning in the process, and I like that. The good thing about this busy book is I've got a 3-year-old as well. So when I'm doing it with my 1-year-old, he's there, and it's engaging enough for him as well, and also for her. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. If you're interested, please go ahead and download the pages, and you can laminate and have a go with your little ones. If you do this, please let me know how you get on in the comment section. Once we've done that, we move on to the weather puzzle. I get her again to play with these pieces, and she's very proficient at it. Then I teach her her body parts. We just look at her head, shoulders, knees and toes, and I keep it really simple for her. And then we look at her 5 senses: sight, taste, hearing, touch and smell. Then we move on to this other lovely puzzle. She loves this one. I get her to pick up the apples and place them on the tree. Once we're done with that, we move on to opposites. I'm teaching her these 4 opposites at the moment, and she's really good at it. We even have a little song that we sing with it. Maybe I'll do another video where I share how we actually go through this busy book together. And here I get her to match the sounds with the letters. Now she doesn't know how to do this yet, so I get her brother to do it for her. Sometimes I'll give it to her brother, and he'll just sit there for a good hour and occupy himself with this while I get busy with other things. My daughter, however, loves going through these final pages. She loves going through the different alphabet sounds and recognizing the different objects on the page. This is the end of our tour, guys. I totally recommend this book for children between the ages of 1 and 3. And if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye.